And we are starting with some breaking news coming in. Delhi police will now also probe several complaints that have been received that Hindu women photographs are being morphed and used on social media platforms. From June last year on Telegrams and other social media applications, several channels are being used and have been using photographs and objectionable contents as well. The IT minister, meanwhile, in morning had tweeted and said that the state police will certainly look into this matter, and the MOSIT, that is Rajiv Chandrasekhar, has told Republic that the government will ensure that platforms are being used responsibly. So that's the latest update coming in of the Delhi police that has now made sure and announced that several probes are being made over complaints being filed and received that Hindu women photographs are being morphed and used on several social media platforms. This is from June last year on Telegram and other social media applications, where several channels are using photographs and objectionable content as well. The IT minister, meanwhile, in morning had tweeted and stated that the state police will be looking into this matter, and the MOSIT, that is Rajiv Chandrasekhar, also told Republic that the government will ensure that platforms are being used responsibly. So after Muslim women, now Hindu women are also being targeted, and the Delhi police is all set to probe these cases that they have been receiving complaints of. These are women that are now being targeted online, not just specific to any one religion. Now there have been news coming in of other such instances reported, and Delhi police that are now making such crackdowns on online abuse. This time the Delhi police will be probing several such complaints that have been received that Hindu women photographs are being morphed and used on social media platforms. And from June last year on Telegrams and other social media applications, several such channels were using these photographs and objectionable content as well. This time the IT ministry has in the morning tweeted out that the state police will be looking into this matter, and Rajiv Chandrasekhar, the MOS for IT, told Republic that the government will certainly ensure that such platforms are not misused and they are used responsibly. In fact, as we have been reporting, there have been several such crackdowns being made on online abuse and photographs being shared. Let me also go across now to my colleague Shravan joining us over the phone line. Yes, Shravan, once again, Delhi police this time who will be probing several such complaints of women photographs being used. These are Hindu women photographs, and IT minister's first reaction as well.
Well, in fact, with the details that we are picking up is that Delhi police will essentially be probing several complaints that have basically come in regarding Hindu women photographs that are being morphed and being used on social media platforms. Now, since June last year, there have been multiple social media platforms which have basically come to the use, where several of these channels are using photographs as well as objectionable content. Now, as far as the IT minister is concerned, remember just earlier in the day, the IT minister had taken to Twitter saying that the state police would be looking into it. We are now being told that the Delhi police, in all likelihood, would be filing a separate FIR under relevant sections of the IPC and IT Act, and this would be filed, and thereafter the probe would be carried out.
And stay with us, Shravan, and we do know that after Bulibai, government has certainly blocked another derogatory channel targeting Hindu women, this time on Telegram as well. The IT ministry has also stated that they will be blocking several such channels that are circulating the photos of women being photographed and being misused as well. Help us understand the cases that have come in so far.
Well, as far as the Mumbai police is concerned, remember, they made two arrests in this matter. One happens to be an engineering student from Bengaluru who was hosting this entire app, along with a woman who has been arrested from Uttarakhand. Both of them have now been taken to Mumbai. In fact, the engineering student who was picked up from his college in Bengaluru has already been produced before a magistrate court in Mumbai and has been sent to police custody. Now, in the remand, Mumbai police has essentially said that they wanted to carry out searches at his residence because they essentially wanted to find out more details on the app that was created by him as well as the woman who has been arrested from Uttarakhand. Important to point out here is that all these apps were basically being hosted by this US platform called GitHub. And apart from that, we are also being told that multiple fake Twitter handles were being made by this accused in this particular case, and also was trying to project that these were handles being taken care by Sikh individuals, and wanted to make it look like these were non-Hindu people who were carrying out this entire act of bullying Muslim women. Now, we're given to understand that the Mumbai police has now come down heavily on the accused in this particular matter. And apart from that, they are also looking at whether at all there are other people who could be involved in this. This has certainly taken a political twist also, given the fact that several senior political leaders from Maharashtra have taken up this entire matter. And the Mumbai police has essentially assured that they are going to investigate this matter and come to the bottom of this entire matter, given the fact that there have been a lot of questions that have been raised about the fact that how Muslim women were being targeted and were being bullied by these people who are hosting this app.
All right, thank you so much, Shravan, for getting us that update. Meanwhile, the Delhi police has also started the probe, and several such complaints that they have been receiving that Hindu women photographs are being morphed, and the first reaction also coming in from the IT minister this morning, that has now stated that action will be taken against all those who are using these platforms irresponsibly. We'd also try to go across to some more reactions coming in, but before that, we do know that after Bulibhai, we do know that there has been another such incident being reported in Delhi this time, where the government has blocked another derogatory channel targeting Hindu women on Telegram. All right, let me also go across to Advita Kale joining us over the phone line, who's also an activist. And Advita, your first reaction to some strong steps being taken by the centre, by the Delhi police, that are now probing into the case of abuse and targeting and selective targeting. First, we saw of Muslim women being done in Mumbai, and now they have been receiving such complaints of Hindu women being targeted online. And the MOSIT, Rajiv Chandrasekhar, has also stated that the government will ensure that platforms are used responsibly.
It's the need of the hour, because this is absolutely toxic. And any place now, be it the public space or be it the online space, is becoming increasingly difficult for women to stay in because of this kind of toxic behavior. And I think the IT ministry has been very forward in coming forward and saying that, yes, we're going to take down these sites, but we also need to identify the people behind these sites that are targeting women, like has been done with the Bulibhai case. I think the same has to apply here, and identify the people who are responsible and pack them off to jail, because that's really where they belong. They don't belong online, they don't belong in society, they belong in jail.
Absolutely. And we have seen several such incidences, Advita, coming in, not just from Delhi, but also from Mumbai, where after the Bulibhai app action that has been taken, the IT ministry has ordered the blocking of several such channels on Telegram. That has also been circulating photos of Hindu women among its subscribers who also abuse them. So certainly an action that is needed at this hour.
It's absolutely needed, and to be completely honest, even before Bulibhai, I have come across sites targeting Hindu women like this. I think with Bulibhai, what happened was that it reached that level of outrage wherein some action was taken. And I think that set a good precedent, so that now we can take to task these other sites that have been circulating for a long time, which target Hindu women.
All right, thank you so much, Advita, for joining us here on the broadcast. So certainly Delhi police will now start probing several such complaints that have been received that Hindu women photographs are being morphed and used on social media platforms. From June last year on Telegram as well and other social media apps, several such channels were using photographs and objectionable content. Meanwhile, the IT minister this morning has also tweeted out stating that the state police will be looking into this matter, and the MOSIT, that is Rajiv Chandrasekhar, has also told Republic that the government will certainly ensure that platforms are responsible.